As someone who has been recording with gaming mics and phone quality audio for most of my life, I can confidently say that the Shure MV7 Plus is a game changer. This is my first professional microphone, and it has truly transformed the way I capture my voice. Previously, I was never satisfied with how my voice sounded in videos and recordings. The audio quality was subpar, and it often left me feeling frustrated and disheartened. With the Shure MV7 Plus microphone, everything changed. The clarity and richness of my voice recordings are now on a whole new level. The microphone does an exceptional job capturing the nuances of my voice, allowing me to express myself with greater confidence and authenticity. I have fallen in love with how my voice sounds, and it has reignited my passion for recording. The build quality of the Shure MV7 Plus is impressive. The microphone feels solid and well constructed, giving me confidence that it will last for years to come. It's clear that Shure put a lot of thought and care into the design and ensuring that it's not only looking professional, but also performs exceptionally well. Despite its premium price tag, the microphone does not disappoint. It delivers on its promises and provides excellent value for money. One of the standout features of the Shure MV7 Plus is its versatility. Whether I'm recording a podcast, streaming, or creating voiceover content, this microphone excels in all scenarios. It offers both USB and XLR connectivity, making it compatible with a wide range of devices and setups. The intuitive touch panel controls allows for easy adjustments to gain monitoring, volume, and more without the need for additional software. In conclusion, I highly recommend the Shure MV7 Plus for anyone looking to level up their voice recordings. It's an investment that pays off in spades, providing high audio quality that can elevate your content and enhance your overall recording experience.